How to write a text in the form of a shape. With your image imported, type in your text and adjust it to fit what you want. Convert the text to a smart object and place it above the image. Then, using the warp tool, fit the text into the shape of your choice. Once done, make a selection of the text by holding Ctrl and clicking on the image layer. Then create a mask on the image shape below and turn off the text layer. Using the brush tool, brush in the other areas of the shape that you want to appear.